The Surface earbuds released themselves on about the 12th of May, which is about 2 days ago, yesterday, and they just came in. So here they are right there. I don't know if it's gonna focus on them. There you go. And I'm gonna show you guys today a quick run through of the Surface Audio application for Windows 10. So here we are with the Surface Audio program or app, if you want to call it. Yeah, the last video I just set up the Surface earbuds, and this is where I'm at now. So the Surface earbuds application, or the Surface Audio application, they have it available for Android, iOS, and obviously Windows 10. I'm not sure if they have it for Mac OS, but you'll tell me if they do. But so far, those are the things it's available on. It seems to be doing pretty well in the stores. But here's a first look on just using the application. So here you have on the screen here, since the only thing I have set up is Surface earbuds. I don't have the headphones 2 right now. This is all you're going to see is the Surface earbuds if you have those as well. And then here you see the name of the earbuds. And if I hit edit name, I can change the name to whatever I want. Let's say I can change it to Derpy Buds, you know, if I want to, and I can hit check off, and then it changes the name to Derpy Buds. And I believe this is what shows up under when you look for your device on Bluetooth for, like, say, connecting to iOS or Android. And I actually have my Android and iOS devices right here in case, so you might hear it vibrate. But you got the home tab over here. You have your equalizer, and I was playing around with the equalizer controls as well. I'm not really a sound guy, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but I can tell just by feel of just how different things change. When you first get the earbud and you first set up the whole thing, it starts off in itself on the flat preset, which is pretty terrible because it's just flat. It's just, there's no punch, there's no voice really. It's just everything's smooth and clean. I just like to punch up. I like a little more bass with my stuff. In fact, I might lower my highs a little bit just to like a 6 and hit save. You can rename that, obviously, that custom preset, and if you set any other preset, say you go here and then you do a custom thing, you see the custom pops up, and after you finish all that and you hit save, you can see it has you can choose the name of that preset, and you can have a bunch of presets. And then moving on, you have device controls. So they have device controls, as you know. These earbuds, they do have touch controls on the sides, just like the Galaxy Buds and kind of the AirPods Pro, and even the regular AirPods even, but closer to the Galaxy Buds where you double tap and things like that. This does have Spotify integration and stuff like that, but yeah, so you have your touch controls, and you have Microsoft 365 integration. So what that means is, if you don't know what Microsoft 365 is yet, Microsoft 365 is essentially Office 365. They just renamed it. They called it Microsoft, which to me still is pretty terrible because nobody knows what that means if you're an outsider. You don't know, you think it's something else completely. But next you have your languages. So in your ear, you will hear Cortana talk to you when you first put it in your ear before you even set up, and it'll tell you ready to set up, open the app or something like that to set it up. So you'll hear her say that. And then the next one here too on the left side here is update. So you can see the update version of your case, and you can see the update version of your earbuds. Clearly I haven't updated the case yet because I forgot to plug in the USB cable, which I'll do that just outside of this video. But if you click for updates, it'll search for updates for each thing, and I've already updated it, so that's why the current version here as of 5/13/2020 or May 13, 2020 is this 3005. And then next you have your device details. So here you have your serial number and your whatever the name of your device is, what the model is. It's Surface Buds, and then you have your various information there, and then you can choose to factory reset your device to factory reset settings, and then you can see devices that it's paired to as well. And yeah, so it's really straightforward. It's really simple of an application. The next thing here, you got some tutorials. They teach you how to do various things: touch gestures, charging. You got dials and touch controls, import basics. Those are for the headphones, and these are for the earbuds. And then you got the about information, just tells you the general about, whether you want to send diagnostic data as usual to the company. It's off by default, which is pretty nice. And yeah, so it's a very straightforward application. It does what it needs to. I don't know yet if the iOS application is any different. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same. It's just modeled for iOS, and that's it. But yeah, it's a pretty straightforward application. If you have any questions or you have any questions about the Surface earbuds or the Surface audio application, let me know in the comments below, or you can drop me an email, nextgenwindows@gmail.com, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, my name is Kwaku. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them below. Subscribe, thumbs this up. I'm trying to move up to 20 subscribers. Hopefully I should have this by the end of the day or by the end of this week. So let's keep trying to push it forward, just a little community up. But yeah, hope you guys have a nice day, nice evening. Take care, everybody.